Hi, Teresa Mannion here with some important advice about driving in strong winds. Control of your vehicle may be affected by strong winds, with trucks, buses and motorcycles particularly at risk. Expect gusts in open areas or areas where gaps in high buildings, hedges and lanes of traffic create a wind tunnel. Take particular care on motorways and other high-speed roads, as crosswinds can push your vehicle off course. Reduce your speed, keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front, and keep a firm grip on your steering wheel. Keep an eye out for vehicles and cyclists veering across the road or pedestrians that are blown off course, and continually scan the road ahead for any debris. If you come across debris on the road, report it to the Gardaí. Don't get caught out when severe weather strikes. For more tips and advice, visit rsa.ie.